done me, and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Ooh, hey, hey, Chicago. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find a love, 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 love. And listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God intended right to be loved, love, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate our time. Be sure this is our fate. I'm yours. Do you want to come on in and scooch on over closer, dear? And sing with me the sound of love. Sing it. I've been spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backward just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I've been saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name